Hello everyone, my name is Maria Katrina Laika Terwell from BSO at 3OT. So, I will report all about MS Outlook, OneDrive, OneNote, SharePoint, Microsoft Teams, function, and future. So first, let's talk about Microsoft Outlook. Microsoft Outlook is a personal information manager that helps users organize their email, contacts, tasks, and calendar. It parts of the Microsoft 365 suite of applications. This is an email management is one of the Microsoft Outlook's main features. So the second one is OneDrive. OneDrive is a cloud storage service from Microsoft that lets you store, share, and backup files from online. You can access your files from any devices with an internet connection. So the two primary versions of OneDrive are OneDrive Personal and OneDrive for Business. Microsoft account subscribers can use OneDrive Personal for free with a storage capacity of 5 GB, which can be increased with premium subscription. OneDrive for Business, which is intended for business, provides additional storage and support. So the third one is OneNote. OneNote is a digital note-taking application that helps you organize your notes, research, and plans. It's part of the Microsoft 365 suite and also is available on many platforms. User can write, arrange, and store notes in a fully configurable style with the Microsoft OneNote. A digital note-taking application included the Microsoft Office suite. It functions similarly to a virtual notebook. And the fourth one is the Microsoft SharePoint. Microsoft SharePoint is a web-based platform that helps teams share and manage documents, collaborate on projects, and create websites. It's part of the Microsoft 365 suite. Microsoft created SharePoint of enterprise content management and knowledgeable management solution. It was first introduced in 2001 as a service and finally rebranded as a SharePoint. And the last is the Microsoft Team. Microsoft Team is a cloud-based app that helps businesses and organizations collaborate, communicate, and share files. It can be used on desktop, mobile, or any device connected to the internet. Microsoft Teams is the best messaging app for your company. It's a platform for meetings, file, app, sharing, real-timer, collaboration, and even the occasional emoji. Everything is one location, open the public within reach of everyone. So let's talk about the function of it. The function of MS Outlook is organized email to let you focus on the messages that matter most. Manage and share your calendar to schedule meetings with ease. Share files from the cloud so recipients always have the latest version. So, we move to the function of OneDrive. OneDrive, it lets you store and protect your files, share them with others, and get to them from anywhere on all your devices. Next is OneNote. The function of OneNote, one cross-functional notebook for all your note-taking needs. Then, let's talk about the function of SharePoint. SharePoint is build internet site and create pages, document, library, and lists. So, the last is the function of Microsoft Teams. Microsoft Teams a workspace for real-time collaboration and communication, meetings, files and app sharing, and even the occasional emoji. So let's discuss the feature of each. So the feature of Microsoft Outlook is calendar, sharing, search, and offline access. Next is the feature of OneDrive. One of OneDrive's best feature is implementation of files on demand. Next is the feature of OneNote. First, the feature of OneNote is take notes in a meeting. Second, take handwritten notes. Third, record audio or video notes. Fourth, create a sticky note. Fifth, think link notes. Sixth, search your notes. Next is the feature of SharePoint. The future of SharePoint is search, storage, and collaboration tools. So the last one is the future of Microsoft Teams. The future of Microsoft Teams is chat, file, sharing, and app integration. So I give some example of each. The example of for Microsoft Outlook. Despite our differences in Outlook, we got along together very well. The next one is the example of OneDrive, a Microsoft-hosted location where employees can store and share files and access files from anywhere using internet-connected device. The third one example is for OneNote. Class notebooks have personal workspace for every student, a content library for handouts, and a collaboration space for lesson and creative activities. And the fourth is the example for SharePoint, event planning sites. This type of SharePoint site is for presenting corporated events, meetings, or conference. And the last one is the example for Microsoft Teams, video conferencing or video meetings. So that's all about my reports. Thank you, sir, for listening.